All right, welcome back to LearnWire. Today I'm going to be talking about Million Dollar Warrior 2.0. It's been probably a couple months since I've actually looked at a product like this, like an educational product, a learning product, or a course. Now, this one is from Kevin Fahey, and he did release Million Dollar Warrior 1.0 like a year ago, and I picked that product up. I believe I promoted that product. So I want to tell you a little bit about it. Obviously, there'll be a link below. You can go check out the sales page. Right now, it looks like you can actually pick it up for $9.95. And you're probably wondering what this teaches you. Now, these I can actually tell you, usually with Warrior Plus products, you absolutely, with a grain of salt, want to this is just crazy, right? You find yourself questioning the screenshots and where they got these from. But Kevin Fahey has been doing full-time Warrior Plus for over 5 years. I believe he's actually been doing it for about maybe a little longer than that, 6 or 7 years, but he's made over $6 million. And I'm going to show you his vendor profile just to prove to you that he is a legit vendor, knows what he's talking about, knows how to do product creation and sell good products, maintain over 4-star rating on his vendor profile, which is very hard to do on Warrior Plus because customers also are pretty harsh with the tools, and they don't hand out good scores easily, if you will. And so you can look over here. I believe that the year before he was at 1.3 million. I think one of the latest screenshots, I don't know if this is his latest screenshot or not, but he's basically making at least $1 million a year. He's made over $6 million on the platform. So this is this Kevin guy right over here. You can go and look at the rest of the sales page, but I'm going to just go in here and talk a little bit about what I know about Kevin Fahey. Now, he's a top 10% vendor on the platform. He's an elite superstar vendor. He's got a top 5% affiliate on the platform, elite affiliate. He's got all these badges, 31 featured products, and so forth. When you come over here, he's got over 17,000 people just on this platform alone following him. And of course, he's got 45,000 sales right here. And what I look for is a lot of sales. And then when we hover over this, it's a true 4-star rating, 4.12 stars based on 564 ratings. And we can come over here and we can start looking at his products. He sells products, okay? We can tell you right now, Million Dollar Warrior 2.0, it actually launched on January 11th. I'm making this video and releasing it to you guys on that same date, just a few hours after he launched. You can see he's already hit 50 sales, but this guy usually sells sometimes 2,000 sales for one product right there. So it checks out, right? And what I've done is, and I'm going to go and we're going to talk about the product itself. And I'm going to tell you if I think that you're right for the product or not. And so what I'm going to do is we're going to log into the product right over here. And there's a ton of videos. One thing I will say is that super cool. A lot of these videos are 20, 30 minutes long, and there's 20 videos. So this is got to be a 3, 4, 5 hour long course. He's really giving away the goods. If you are curious, if you've ever been curious about how to be an affiliate and a vendor and build a real business like Kevin has and make millions of dollars on the platform, there is a right and wrong way to do it. And so I can speak to that because I've made over $50,000 on Warrior Plus. It's obviously not my first hand. I absolutely could turn it into a full business model and switch more to it if I wanted to, but I can talk a little bit more about that as well in a minute. But if you're curious on how this all works, this is the ultimate course and the vendor that you would want to learn from because he's proven that he knows what he's talking about and he knows how to do this. He knows how to launch products on a monthly basis. He knows how to be an affiliate. He knows the pricing points, all kinds of good stuff. But right over here, I just wanted to show you this video particular, Finding Offers to Promote. Now, this is a great video. You can see I just got done watching it. It's about 17 minutes long. And he goes over how to find hot products from top sellers, how to find products that are evergreen, that you want to promote for a long time and not just for that week when the product launch closes, then you can't really promote it anymore. There's a way to find out if a product is evergreen or not. How to find good upcoming launches so you can put them on your calendar and prep for them, right? Maybe get free review access from the vendor, all kinds of stuff, right? This is actually a skill, guys. It's a skill to learn how to do this right and wrong. And most people, I will be completely honest with you, get it wrong. They just go about it the wrong way. So you do need the right training, the right education in order to do this. This can be a lucrative business model and it can be a real online business model, but it is not for everyone. And so then you have how to review vendor profiles and making decisions. And I think I'm really good at that. And that's why I haven't made hundreds of thousands of dollars, because there's just not enough vendors that I personally want to promote on the platform, but I'm going to talk a little bit more about that as well. And then using Muncheye to find upcoming products. So this guy definitely knows I'm aware of all this stuff as well, being a professional full-time affiliate marketer, and definitely expanding outside of Warrior Plus and doing it in so many other different affiliate directions. But Kevin is definitely the right guy to learn from, okay? So we've got really good stuff right over here, but I wanted to add to this, okay? And so I just created a video right before creating this video, and it's called Bonus How to Find Good Products to Promote on Warrior Plus. And I give you my 2 cents on how I'm able to go out there and actually, the last time I promoted a product, and it was literally like 6 weeks ago. So I literally only promote about maybe 5, 6 products max per year from Warrior Plus. And how I go out there and actually made over $4,000 from creating one video. And so I teach you how to find good vendors, how to analyze them and analyze the product and make good decisions if you should actually promote that product or not, right? So I give you a little bit more detail and insights, and I dive even deeper into kind of my methods and choosing the right product. So a very valuable video. It's 21 minutes long. It's fresh. I just created it January 11th, 2025. You will get this as a bonus, right? Some products that people sell on Warrior Plus are literally a 20-minute training. And so this is a free bonus from somebody that's made $51,000 on Warrior Plus as an affiliate. You'll get this for free if you do decide to pick up $1 Million Warrior 2.0 with my link. Okay, so let me show you the product real quick. So we're inside the product. I'm gonna go over here. Now he does have a nice membership. It's all managed. I believe it's managed on like a WordPress site. And anything that you've bought from Kevin will all show up right here. The stuff that you have access to. You can go over to home and you'll be able to see like products that you don't have. You can go and you can purchase them, right? But if I scroll down here, it should show in green products that I do own, right? So we have $1 Million Warrior 2.0 access here because it's turned green. So it's actually laid out really nice. You can see all the ones. I've got 20K extra right there. I've got the easy repetitive system. These are all really good products. And I got to be completely honest with you. Every one of these products that Kevin puts out, it's a business in a box. It's education that if you are a newbie with affiliate marketing, any one of these products really could get you on the right track to actually starting to earn money. And a good mark is $100 a day. Can you start making $100 a day in your affiliate marketing business? That's $3,000 a month. That is more than a lot of people make at their full-time job, having to work 40 hours a week just to make $2,500 a month, $3,000 a month. So you could be doing this from the comfort of your home and ultimate freedom and so forth from this types of training. So he puts together really good educational products right over here. And it's coming from somebody that has, like I said, made over $6 million on the platform over the last about 5 years. I'm going to come over here to training courses, $1 Million Warrior. You can see all of the lessons right there. Look at that, 18 lessons. Like I said, most of them are over 20 minutes long. So this is not like a cheesy, 45-minute course where all the videos are only 3 minutes long. You guys have probably bought those before too. I wouldn't be promoting that if that was the case. This is a really good, solid product. Now I'm going to go and just click on it. We'll go to the home page of $1 Million Warrior 2.0. Now he does have an updated 30-minute video right here. He goes over the last 12 months. And I will say that for the price of under $10, literally a $10 product right here, this video alone, if you're an affiliate marketer like myself, I would pay $10 for this 30-minute video right here because he goes over the price points that have worked for him over the last 12 months on the platform, pros and cons, do's and don'ts, things that he's learned even over the last, this is an expert guy that's made millions of dollars on Warrior Plus, right? And he's still refining his business. He's still testing things. He's still looking at how he can improve. Did I send too many emails out? Should I have priced it at $27 or should have brought the price down to. So like I said, this was very valuable. Just this 30-minute video right here. It's the most updated. So this was worth it to me because I'm a professional affiliate marketer, and this gave me kind of what is it like from $1 million person on the platform? What's working? What's not working? So it's great. It's kind of like almost like this giant newsletter, if you will, for the last 12 months. Gives you all the updates, gives you tips, and then you can move on about your day. Right now, the rest of this is mostly Million Dollar Warrior, like the training that he came out with a year ago, right? So we can scroll down here and you can actually see like right over here. It's very well organized. You can come down here, Million Dollar Warrior training, introduction, merchant and accounts. If you want to learn about your profile, so basic stuff, newbie stuff, and then you come in here and you can just literally become an affiliate. And he tells you everything about being an affiliate, traffic, how to find the right products, all that kind of good stuff, right? How to create your product reviews, all the good stuff, right? Then if you want to start creating your own products and be a Warrior Plus product creator or vendor, he's got all the good stuff right over here. How to create your funnels, how to actually put together, how to set them up in. These are the very detailed training that most people don't know how to do. There is a definitely, like I said, a skill and a skill set that is required in order to be able to do this. And you're going to be able to take the shortcut if you pick up this training, right? So you have that, you have your Warrior Plus partnerships, how to partner with other JVs and, do a big launch together and so forth. And then he has a bunch of bonuses right over here as well. We can click on that real quick, okay? So I'll show you that. You have all this. You can access the Facebook mastermind group. You have access to an IM newbie training course. You have a 7-figure book bundle, access 4 of his top selling reports here, and how to profit with PLR training webinar right there. So a lot of good stuff for everyone. And then even more stuff right here, how to set up an online marketing funnel, another 33-minute training right over here. And then another one, 3X your profits training presentation right over here. This is a 43-minute video right here. The 15 monetization methods right over here, over an hour long right over here. So you're getting like more content than you know what to do with, right? With this training for literally $9.95. Okay. So my opinion on this, like I said, we come back over here, is that if you already have Million Dollar Warrior 1.0, unless you want this updated video right here, which I got the 30-minute update, which he really goes over the last 12 months, all of his stats, how much money he made, all the price points, what's working, what's not. He talks about AI because all the 80% of the products that come out now that are launching on Warrior Plus and JVZoo are AI related. He talks about that, what he thinks about that. So some good stuff right here. Now, if you're already making money in affiliate marketing, then I would recommend, go ahead and pay for Warrior 2.0, Million Dollar Warrior 2.0, because you want access to this video right here. And then there's gonna be a live webinar training that he's coming out with on January 7th as well, 17th as well. And so that is who this is for. But if you don't want access to the this new video that he came out to add to Warrior Million Dollar Warrior 2.0, and you already picked up Million Dollar 1.0 last year, then you don't need to buy this. You can just still access all the training down here, because all this right here is, I believe, is just all the same training that was already provided to you if you picked up Million Dollar Warrior 1.0. So that's what, and finally, if you have no interest whatsoever in Warrior Plus or becoming an affiliate or anything like that, then this product is not for you, right? So that is literally me just shooting you straight. Most people don't do that. They just want the cash grab. They want to make money and pushing this down your throat and trying to make money. Don't buy this. I'm telling you right now, don't click the link below and buy this if you're not interested in being an affiliate, selling affiliate products on Warrior Plus, or launching products or anything like that. If you're not interested in Warrior Plus at all, don't pick this product up. And then, like I said, the deciding factor between, if you already picked up Million Dollar Warrior 1.0 a year ago, if you want access to this new training right here and the webinar that's coming out, then go ahead and pick it up. It's literally, if you go out to eat at a burger joint, Taco Bell or something like that, you're going to spend more money on just your meal alone than that. And so it's a very low ticket item. Now, I'm not going to go over the one-time offers because I didn't pick up any of them. I don't need them personally in my business. I'm already, driving a successful business. I know about affiliate marketing, so I don't really need the training. And I do recommend, don't be chasing after shiny object syndrome. If this is a product, we're brand new, January 11th, we're still brand new into the new year. If you need a business model and you need the training, it's okay to spend that money on education for yourself, but don't be buying every product this year, right? Like, you need to pick something and stick with it long enough, at least 6 months or longer, in order to decide if this is going to work for you. You can't just pick up a product like this. There's no push button method. I will tell you right now, this training, this is why this is good. because you can come down here. There's nothing about this that's click a button and we do everything for you. There's nothing. This is all, I mean, integrations. Look, like you've got to go out here, you got to research products, you got to put together affiliate product reviews, you've got to build products here, you've got to work. This is an online business, and he's teaching you everything that he knows about becoming a $6 million earner on the platform, and he doesn't leave anything out. It's literally extremely detailed. So this training is for you if you need a business model and you like Warrior Plus and you want to go for it. It's still working for people. There's vendors that are making more money now in 2025 in the AI era than ever before on the platform. But it's because that they moved with the trends and so forth. The people that are back in 2012 and that are still trying to operate their businesses on Warrior Plus like that from back then, and they haven't moved with the times and the AI times, then they're not really making any money anymore, right? And so that's why following a guy like Kevin on the platform will give you the latest information. So at the end of the day, like I said, in all honesty, this isn't for everybody. Like my software people that just love buying software, they run their own businesses. Maybe you run niche websites and blogs and stuff like that. This is probably not for you. But I do know that I have a large affiliate marketing audience as well. And if you want to finally learn about Warrior Plus and how it's actually done, then this product is for you. So there'll be a link below. If you pick that up, you'll automatically get access to my bonus video right here that is 21 minutes long, where I go into depth on how to pick out the right products to promote. Thanks for joining me in this video. Link will be below for $1 Million Warrior 2.0 by Kevin Fahey. Thanks so much.